Good morning. My name is Sheng. Welcome to Meridian Place. Today, I will be showing you our single attached two-story Danesa unit with provision for two-bedroom located at the heart of General Trias, Cavite. Come on, let's go inside. This is the main door. This is the living area, and over there is the kitchen with kitchen countertop. This is the actual deliverable unit. Let's go to our second floor. Upon entering the second floor, you will see nothing but the flooring, windows, and ceiling. This is the deliverable units or the so-called bare type. And this is the staircase. And now, further into our property, we have our toilet and bath. So upon deliverable, all fixtures are already included, including the tiles, but half only. The shower, sink, and so on. For turnover po, may naka-ready na. Para sa water, and then sa electric. Ito pong pinakita ko sa inyong unit is for turnover. Let's go, let us all witness the turnover process.
Turnover ko sa inyo yung suset together with the team. So for our turnover process po, ibibigay namin sa inyo yung suset together with the documents, and then once na ma-turnover na po yung unit sa inyo, kayo po yung full responsibility sa property nyo. So for example, sir, tumaas yung damo, may mabasag na salamin after the turnover, or may mangyari sa unit nyo after the turnover, si buyer na po yung fully responsible sa property niya. So kayo na po yung mag-grass cut, kayo na po yung mag-aayos ng mga nasirang salamin if ever lang. Then ito sir yung ating susi, bali 3 sets po ito, dalawang duplicate, isang original for main door, back door, and CCR. So turnover. Then, proceed tayo sir sa documents natin. So, ito sir yung turnover kit na tinatawag. So, compilation lang naman siya ng documents na kailangan nyo kapag mag-a-apply po kayo ng water, electricity, and also yung mga documents po na nagpapatunay na sa inyo po yung property na ito. So, discuss ko lang muna sir yung Certificate of Acceptance. So, Certificate of Acceptance po, katunayan lang naman siya sir na on this day ay accept nyo na po yung property nyo dito sa Meridian. And isa-summarize na lang natin sir yung item per item para po mas makulihan nyo yung pinaka-brief summary ng ating Certificate of Acceptance. So, bilang new homeowner lang naman sir, dapat po yung nagko-comply lang kayo, nag-a-abide sa mga terms, conditions, restrictions, regulations po na nasa deed of restriction natin. So, sa deed of restriction sir, for your information, bali, rules and regulation lang naman yan within our subdivision. Ito po siya. So, gusto niyo po malaman ano po yung mga pwede at bawal gawin within our subdivision, pwede po kayo mag-refer dito sa atin. Pwede niyo siyang gamitin reference po dito sa ating. Then, item number 2 po, since ngayon po ay mag-start na po kayo magbayad ng ating amilyar since 2025 na po. So, ang ating amilyar kasi sir, once na ma-turnover na po yung property, year after po, si buyer na po yung bahalang magbayad ng amilyar. So, pag magbabayad na kayo ng amilyar sa assessor's office natin sir sa munisipyo, ang ipapakita nyo pong main document or document po doon is yung tax declaration natin, which is included naman sir sa ating property. So, papakita nyo to sir sa ating assessor's office. And then, if ever po na nakabayad na po kayo, isend nyo lang po yung resibo nyo kay service desk para po may proof sila at ma-i-record natin.
Ano-ano nga ba ang kasama sa turnover units aside from SUSE? CTS, tax deck, copy of title, certificate of acceptance, and deed of restriction. Kasama din ang certificate of occupancy.
Then item number 4 po, disregarded muna natin yung homeowner associations natin sa pagbabayad ng membership fee na association dues since under developer pa po tayo. So any concerns po and any questions, please sir Freddy, takluyan po muna kaya lalapit which is yung admin natin. So later sir, susulat ko na yung number niya para po may contact person po kayo kay admin. So ang role po ni admin dito is taga-check po nung plano, if ever po naman po construct kayo, since naka-state din naman po sa item number 5 na magsisecure po kayo ng approval muna kay Property Management Office or kay admin. So, ang mangyayari niyan sir, yung pinaka-plano nyo, for example, magpapagate po kayo, papacheck nyo kay admin sir yung pinaka-plano nyo. Then once na ma-approve po niya, doon pa lang papasok sir yung ating construction ban. Construction ban natin sir is 15,000. 12,000 yung refundable, 3,000 mapupunta kay admin. So breakdown ko lang yung 3,000 na yun. 1,500 is for design and review, 1,500 is for inspection. So if ever man sir na may makita pa si admin na violation during your construction, babawasan pa po din yung construction.
Okay. Pero one-time payment lang naman to.
Yes, sir. As long as may makapakonstruct po kayo within the 2 years, since validity po niya is 2 years, i-maximize nyo na, sir, yung construction.
Okay, so after 2 years, if may ipapagawa pa ulit,
Bayad
another
naman.
bayad.
Yes.
Okay.
Ganun yung ano, sir. Then, eto, sir, sign na lang kayo dito, date and time accepted, email address and contact number, 3 copies po yung isa-sign nyo dito.
Okay.
Then, cover po na naka-bank loan kayo, sir, naka-bank po yung pinaka-title nyo. So, marirelease pa lang po siya once na mag-full payment na po kayo kay bank. Then, next naman natin, sir, is yung ating tax declaration. Explain naman na po yan. And then, sir, yung ating certificate of occupancy, one of the requirement po ito kay Management.
Okay.
Then, next naman natin, sir, yung ating contract to sell. So, si contract to sell naman, sir, ito po yung pinaka-main document na gagamitin nyo while waiting for your title. So, ito, sir, nakapangalan yun sa inyo. And then, dry sealed and notarized yan, sir, which means original document ito. So, if ever man po nahanapan kayo ng proof of ownership, pwede mo siya natin. Yun lang naman, sir, for our turnover.
You've just got unlocked a huge milestone. Congratulations, Sir Mark, on your new home. Wishing you a lot of success and happiness. It's been a pleasure being your property agent. Thank you for your trust since day one. God bless you and your family.